Welcome to my video on the 10 best places to visit in Funchal, the vibrant capital of Madeira. Funchal is not only a city full of colonial charm and modern cuisine, but also a gateway to some of Madeira's most breathtaking attractions. From lush green parks and stunning viewpoints to the famous Valley of the Nuns, there's so much to explore here. In this video, I'll be taking you through the top 10 must-visit spots in Funchal, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which place you're most excited to visit. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Church of Our Lady of Monte. The Church of Our Lady of Monte is the most important pilgrimage site on Madeira Island. It was built in 1741 and has been a special place for visitors and locals for many years. Inside, there are important relics, including the tomb of Charles I of Habsburg, an Austrian emperor who was exiled to Madeira. Another valuable item in the church is a beautiful silver sculpture of the Virgin Mary. Many people come to this church to pray and admire its history. The church is also known for its peaceful surroundings and stunning views, making it a popular spot for both religious and cultural visits. 2. Madeira Botanical Gardens. Madeira's botanical gardens opened in 1960 and are one of the island's most beautiful green spaces. Covering 20 acres, the gardens are home to over 2,000 types of exotic plants from around the world. Visitors can enjoy vibrant flower beds arranged in colorful geometric patterns and carefully shaped topiary gardens. This peaceful oasis offers stunning views and a chance to see a wide variety of plant life, making it a must-visit spot for nature lovers. The gardens are a perfect place to relax, take photos, and explore Madeira's rich botanical beauty. 3. Pico do Arieiro. Pico do Arieiro is a mountain on Madeira Island, which is off the coast of Portugal. It stands 5,965 feet tall, making it the third highest peak on the island. This mountain is a popular tourist spot because of its breathtaking views from the top. Visitors can see clouds below them and beautiful landscapes all around. There are also challenging hiking trails that connect Pico do Arieiro to other high peaks. Many travelers come here to enjoy the fresh air, take photos, and experience the stunning scenery. Whether by car or on foot, reaching the summit is an unforgettable adventure. 4. Cabo Guirao. Cabo Guirao is a stunning sea cliff on Madeira's south coast, rising an incredible 1,903 feet, 580 meters, above the Atlantic Ocean. It is the highest promontory in Europe and one of the most popular attractions on the island. Visitors come to see the breathtaking views from the top, where a special glass floor skywalk offers a thrilling experience. From this lookout, you can enjoy panoramic sights of the coastline, ocean, and nearby towns. The combination of dramatic heights and amazing scenery makes Cabo Guirao a must-visit spot for nature lovers and adventure seekers. 5. The São Cathedral of Funchal, also called the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Assumption, is the most important religious site in Madeira. It was built in the late 15th century and is one of the oldest buildings on the island. The cathedral is known for its beautiful design, which includes elements typical of Madeira, such as volcanic rocks. Over the centuries, it has remained an important part of the island's history and culture. Visitors admire its unique architecture and peaceful atmosphere. As one of Funchal's top landmarks, the cathedral is a must-see for anyone interested in history, religion, or beautiful old buildings. 6. Portimonense. Portimonense is a beautiful seaside village on the northwest tip of Madeira, built against a cliff with amazing views of the Atlantic Ocean. This charming place is famous for its natural saltwater swimming pools, which are surrounded by black volcanic rocks. The pools are perfect for a refreshing swim while enjoying the ocean breeze. Life in Portimonense is all about the outdoors. The village began as a small fishing and farming community, and you can still see tropical fruit plantations covering the green hills. Walking around, you'll notice how nature plays a big role in daily life. The ocean, the mountains, and the fresh air make Portimonense a peaceful and scenic place to visit. 7. Curl dos Ferreiros, also known as the Valley of the Nuns, is a small village surrounded by tall, steep mountains. From the Era do Cerrado lookout, it looks almost impossible to reach. However, its remote location is one of the reasons it was chosen by runaway slaves and nuns seeking safety from pirates in Funchal. The village's hidden position offered protection from attackers, making it a secure refuge for those fleeing danger long ago. Today, it remains a peaceful and secluded spot in the heart of Madeira. 8. Pico dos Barcelos Viewpoint. Pico dos Barcelos Viewpoint is one of Madeira's easiest to reach spots for stunning views. Located 1,200 feet above sea level, it offers a 360-degree panorama of Funchal Bay and the Ilhas Desertas. Unlike other viewpoints, you don't need to hike to get here, making it a great choice for those who want to enjoy the beauty of the island without the effort. This accessible spot provides breathtaking views of the island's coastline and surrounding landscapes. 9. Levada Walks. One of the most popular activities in Madeira is walking along the Levada footpaths. These narrow, man-made irrigation channels take water across the island, collecting rainwater throughout the year. The paths alongside the Levadas offer scenic hikes to remote parts of the island, some even along the coast. While you can walk alone, joining a guided tour is a great way to enjoy the hike with others and learn from a local guide who knows the area well. There are many Levadas to explore, making it a top choice for visitors. 10. Madeira Cable Car. The Madeira Cable Car is a top attraction in Funchal, offering a 15-minute ride with amazing views. The cable car takes passengers from the town to the hills, providing a 360-degree view of Funchal, the mountains, and the Atlantic Ocean. At its highest point, it reaches 560 meters above sea level. The ride starts from the Zona Velha Esplanade and stops at Jardim Botanico, or you can continue to Jardim Tropical Monte Palace. For a fun way back to the city, try the Monte Toboggan.